So here's a bunch of packages that came in over the weeks. So we bought this from Italy, if I can remember correctly. And it wasn't exactly cheap, but it's relatively rare, so I took it. So we have something that always already gives it away a bit. A few games. Should be 4 games. Only 3. Yeah, there's the 4th game. Blue Max, classic. Then we have a zapper. Wow, that's a massive zapper. You can already see what it says, XE System, which means XE Game System. Let me put that on the floor. We have the XE Game System's keyboard, which has the same mushy keys like the Atari ST, and a help button. Help! Help! Doesn't work. We have this pastel colored beauty, which is the Atari XE System. Looks good. If I'm not mistaken, you can just go and clip this on here, and then you have kind of a whole computer. We have the XE joystick, which is, well, these joysticks are always crap and missing the feet. RF cable. And another box, which I assume contains the PSU. Let's see. Yeah, it's a very crusty PSU. So the XE Game System is pretty much an Atari 800 XL in a Barbie form factor with pastel colors, and yeah, just plug in your games and off you go. It's kind of a rarity, not super rare, but rare enough. I like the look of this. Oh, got some cracks here. That's not good. So I did bring out CRT and set this up. It's all plugged in, so let's fire up the television. There's a video about this television which I found on the side of the road. It's a pretty cool Panasonic color TV. And we need a CRT because we have a light gun, and there's Bug Hunt in there. Let's see what that does. Power it up. Yeah, green light. No image yet. Let's switch over to AV. Oh, and there we are. Awesome. Okay, so let's see. This flickers because that's how the machine knows where the ray gun or the light gun is pointed. And yeah, let's try to, I think you have to hit play on. I can see there's a little cross on the screen. I'm playing this through the camera, so it's pretty hard to hit. Ah, okay. Bug Hunt. Okay, so we have to shoot bugs. There's also sound. I think you just have to hit the square, not even the bug itself. Okay, now we have accuracy 21%. Yeah, well, let's try this again. Now, the screen is pretty small, and I'm, as I said, playing this through the camera. So this is not as easy as it seems. And accuracy is, yeah, medium. 6%, yeah, even worse. Yeah, so this actually seems to, I want to say this actually seems to work, but I think I just broke it. Ah, there it is again. Okay, so it seems to be a flaky connection here. Yeah. Okay, nice. One thing I noticed when I set this up is that it actually doesn't have a monitor out. It just has a V. Not sure if you could mod it to have the S-video, but it looks pretty good on the CRT. It's pretty nice. And there's a screen in front here, so that glare comes from that plastic screen. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so that's that. Thank you for watching Retro Studio Black. If you liked this video, please like it, give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in content like this, please subscribe and hit this bell icon. I have no idea if it really makes a difference, but you never know. And yeah, it's an algorithm, so I'm not arguing. However, thank you for watching, and I see you on the other side. Cheerio.